Hi, I am so special. I'm sorry, I always scream in your guys' ears. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Papa's Cheeseria part 23. In the last part we got our very first gold star customer and a new special, so let's hop over. We are ranked 27. We're in Maple Mornings. We have Toasty Dijon. I don't remember what other specials we got. Like, I don't remember the new one. It was veggie melt. That's accidental. My bad. It was veggie melt, which is interesting. So we're doing Toasty Dijon, which we have only one more day for, and then we are rolling. Hopefully we get a new special soon, or else it's gonna be weird. So we're cute as ever. Avery in his hat. Oh, so cute. Okay, yep, nothing different apparently. Let's go. I don't remember what my plans were. Johnny, my manager's name is Johnny, and Maple Jack Cheese. Fun. Johnny. There's a chicken. I think I pointed. Oh, there's chickens everywhere. I forgot how cute our lobby was. We have freshness points, and we have the inspection thing. Hi, Johnny. Dem eyebrows. Okie dokes. This cheese looks delicious. Completely and utterly, like, I have like a waffle addiction lately, and maple syrup is my fave. I get like the 50% less sugar one because I have waffles every day, and it's in my best interest. It tastes the same, you know. Toasty Dijon, I don't know how to cook it, girl. Captain Corey is about to be a bronze. I really hope we get a special today. Okay, I can see that it's this bread. I think it's this cheese, but let's make sure. Oh no, it's the Gouda. Lettuce, tomato, mustard, pork, mustard. Lettuce, tomato, mustard, pork, and mustard. Right? I feel like I messed it up. Not a mustard fan, but looks yummy anyway. There we go. Normal cook. Hi. Welcome aboard. Pinch. Very meat loving, Pinch. You like the swirls too. Yep, perfect timing, fries. I also need to drop curly fries for him and waffle fries for you. Just bacon. That sandwich is about to be ready in 2 seconds. My headset's really loud. Okay, there we go. Yes, lovely. And I'll send this out. Yum yum, Johnny, yum yum. Come again soon. Almost pure hundreds. I didn't do anything wrong, you liar. My bread was off center. Okay, Johnny. Alrighty, with this bread with yummy maple syrup cheese. And we have ham, sausage, ham, and bacon. You are a pig lover with bacon on your fries too. Pigs all day. Well, I guess it's more like breakfast. It's a breakfast sandwich. Maple syrup. I don't know what that bread is. Sausage, bacon. Okay. Hi. I love how awkward you are, Brody. Oh, I forgot about that bread. That would be the ultimate breakfast sandwich bread. The French toast. It's like cinnamon toast crunch bread with normal cheese. It's kind of odd. Turkey bacon. Should have just got turkey bacon. Huh. Okay, tiny cute little sandwich. I feel like it ruins it by getting toasted. Oh my god. Okay, you want straight fries. And let's get this one out. You need ranch. And bacon. Bacon is very popular these days. Loving it, Captain. Bronze Star customer, Captain. What is with my build stations? I swear that sandwich... Oh. I swear that sandwich was like the best sandwich I ever made. I'm sorry, it's a little toasty. Dijon, haha. Okay, just bacon for you. Good to go. Pinch. Yeah, I messed up your grill, but what's with this? I don't know. Why is it always not? Am I just not allowed to get a good score? Let me see how everything's going. They're both kind of nearly done. I could have survived the fries though. Okay. Hi. Get off your phone. Diano. You're my Italian potato. And you're still Italian as ever. Okay. He'll never come back after. Asiago cheese. My heaven. Salami, turkey, salami, bacon, and mustard. That would be good. I don't think with Asiago, maybe with like mozzarella or Swiss or regular fries or American cheese. Do people in other countries call American cheese? Is it just us? Okay, there's some bacon on the floors. Sorry. I still got 199. Thanks, Brody. You're too kind. Okay, we should be getting... Yep. You and your kitten. I love you. I need to know your story, Cooper. Which one do you work at? That outfit. Maybe Pancakeria. Oh, everybody. The French cinnamon toast crunch and the American cheese. And tomatoes. And lightly toasted. Your lightly toasted guy that hurts me inside. That guy could just sit there. Yep. And freaking put the freaking... It's gonna be done, like... It's crazy, it's so fast. Well, I mean, lightly toasted, yes, that sandwich would probably be amazing. Okay. I messed up that one order, that one time. And now every order is bad. Alrighty, we should have 2 more customers today. 1 more at the table and then the closer. So Avery, let's go. Yep. You walk so slow, child. Alright, toasty Dijon, of course. Oh, so it was like so simple, but yes, you ordered a special. That's how it works. Okay, and Gouda. Okay, and he wants ketchup. Oh, and bacon. And done. Cooper. Really? What did I do wrong, Cooper? Thanks for the big tip, though. And my closer's here. My baby. My queen. How are you? You're gonna be my first gold customer. Closer. Oh, I was making a sandwich. I was like, where are my breads? Okay, so it was Gouda. And then it is lettuce, tomato mustard, pork mustard. Mustard. Pork. Mustard. Alrighty, lovely. Normal toasted, no problem. And my dearest, that cheese and only that one Hope orders only Hope. With the new cheese, girl, you are so adventurous. Every single time she's trying new stuff. I feel like mustard with maple syrup cheese is really nasty, but maple syrup cheese kind of sounds really nasty. So now we boost as usual. Okay, we are changing our special to veggie melt, and hopefully we get a new special soon. I mess up one special and now we're running behind all the time. We're at day 45. Let's go. Okay, Toru, which I love that name. I love your outfit. I love you so much. Fried egg. What is that? Okay, wait. That's all the maple syrup. I expected that. Fried egg. I did not expect that though. Toru. Where is it? It's definitely not a fry topping, you know. So it must be one of the, I wonder if it's on like the vegetable side, and I wonder if it's staying forever. It has to be because we got sausages. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look, oh, it's forever. I feel like she's the only one that's ever gonna order it. And it's temporary. It didn't have like a huge spout like the other ones. Okay, I'm coming. Let me start her fries. I'll take this order, make both sandwiches. Alan, oh, the veggie melt, Alan. Hi. You left with all the Italians. Let me make her sandwich first because I don't know. So you want ham, tomatoes, and a fried egg on top. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, lightly toasted too. Might as well. Oh, I learned a trick to speed the boost. You just go off screen while holding it, and it keeps boosting, which is cool. But you can only do it to one fryer at a time. You saw how fast that was? Alrighty, I am being swamped with orders. Hello, I'm sorry. Can she stop looking angry? You've been here for 5 minutes. Okay, someone lightly toasted, someone burnt. This is a very mixed day. Look how cute. Light. Oh. Medium. And burnt. Ay. Alright, so I'll put that there. You want curly and you want regular. So I'll get hers out. That's ranch. And that is a horrible ranching. And bacon. La la la. Wonderful. Your fried egg sandwich is ready, Toru. Lovely. Okay. Thanks. Such a big tip. First time customer. Oh wait, it's because we have the thing. Okay, veggie melt. We use that bread, of course, with mozzarella, pepper, lettuce, jalapeno, tomato, pepper. Pepper, lettuce, jalapeno, tomato, pepper. Pepper, lettuce, jalapeno, tomato, pepper. Looks good. I wouldn't eat it because I hate peppers, but yeah, that's good. Maybe with like more lettuce than anything else. Hi, I am so special. I'm sorry. I always scream in your guys' ears. I'm like so quiet, so you have to turn up your sound all the way, and then I scream. Okay, but the fries are ready. Sandwich is nowhere near being ready. Okay, so this, which is okay, barbecue. Whose is this? 3? Okay. Just making sure I wasn't doing hers first. I get carried away with the specials. Barbecue, jalapenos, tomatoes, and bacon. And your fries are ready. And you're burning your sandwich. Okay, let me get hers built before his comes up. The Swiss, to make it good, not mess it up this time. Grilled chicken, peppers, and onion. Awesome. Okay. So 2, 3, 4. You got curly fries. She wants straight fries. And you just need ketchup. Swamped with orders. What's going on? Grill, how's it going? Okay, all set. Number 4 is going to come before number 3. Awesome. Oh, I get an extra customer star. Yes. 30 orders with mozzarella. Hi. Sorry you had to wait so long, Julep, my dear. Very simple. I love you so much. You are so simple. Okay. Oh, I was hoping I could finish your sandwich before this needs to go. Yeah. 4 before 3. Because he needs a nice burnt sandwich. Lovely. And her fries are ready, but you're getting the cold ones that were sitting here. Shh, God, you are annoying. Thank you. Okay, order 4 is my special. Not messing it up. Cheese and out. Another. Oh my gosh. Am I just going really slow? I feel like meat lovers after the veggie melt, of course. Have to cater to everyone. Shh, everybody. Oh my god, this is like so chaotic. We're already on number 6. Are we even near closing? Thanks. Oh, we're about to close. But like, what in the world? So it is peppers, lettuce, tomato, no, lettuce, jalapeno, tomato, pepper. Wonderful. All right, hold on. Let me just put the top on. You are so dramatic. Oh my god. Swamped with orders right now. Okay. This one has bacon on it. So you need barbecue and jalapenos. Good to go. Thanks, Scoots. I mean, Marty. Sorry, your name's not Scooters. I've been waiting too long, apparently. Oh my god. No, we definitely have more customers this time. There's 8. We usually have 7. Here you go, Julep. Okay. Oh, really? It's just fries. And this one doesn't really have like a cold factor. Aw, hi, Cooper. Oh, maple syrup. Try new things, eh? Oh, you didn't have maple syrup yesterday. Today he comes in to get his favorite sandwich. And you have maple syrup to add to it. Alright. Okay. Bacon, tomatoes, and maple syrup. Ooh! Transparent. Translucent. Parent. And lightly toasted, which I would totally do in that case. You see how fast it is? Especially with lightly toasted. Alrighty, she wants bacon and cheese. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Go. And I think that's our closer out there. Awesome. Thanks, Ivy. I think I could take his order. Hi. Try new things. Thanks for going fast. Okay, regular fries with the maple, but buffalo sauce with French cinnamon toast crunch bread and maple cheese is a little weird. Spicy bacon with tomatoes and maple syrup. Yeah, whatever you like. Okay, ketchup and bacon. Good to go. I hope you're excited, Cooper. Yeah, pretty good score. It's pretty good. And last but not least, the cup that I will boost your food. This boost is so awesome. I can literally just come back. I just can't click. Okay, Hank, how do you like it? Ooh, what? I don't know. My cheesing is apparently horrible these days. We ranked up again, which is cool. I don't want to. I love maple mornings. It's definitely my favorite holiday, and I knew it would be. I don't want it to go away. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to see what the meat lovers. So it is bacon, ham, salami, pork, and grilled chicken with the ugly bread. Well, they found a use. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time with some more Papa's Cheeseria. I love you so much. A goodbye.